Hey guys, I have a message for you. Every difference in opinion is not wrong. People have different needs, different judgments, and that's not wrong at all, as long as it is within the principles of morality and ethics. We all have the right to choose according to our own preferences and desire, to decide where we want to be and what kind of environment brings us happiness. There's nothing wrong with living in a way that makes you truly happy. Even if others see you differently, they have no right, no, they have no right to judge you just as we have no right to judge others. How every choice, thought, and decision should remain guarded in fairness and neutrality so that everyone can so exceed peacefully. That's why morality and ethics are so important. They allow people to live together in harmony and happiness. Thank you guys. It's enough for me.